Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English version Math, Exercise 4.3. Resolve into factors. Question number 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. We already finished up to 31, and so far we did all the quantity, the expression. All these expressions were in the form of x squared plus px plus q. Let's start solving. Let's start with number 32. X squared plus 3a into 3a plus 4b into x plus 2a squared plus 5ab plus 3b squared. Now if we look at this expression, you see the q part is very long. It itself is a problem. We can resolve it into factors, separate. If we start, first we have to resolve this part into factors, and then we solve the whole expression. Okay, x squared plus 3a plus 4b into x plus, here the expression doesn't look like x squared plus px plus q form, because there is a coefficient. You see 2 here. So long we had been solving, all the expressions were in this form, x squared plus px plus q, and there was no coefficient of x squared. But in case when there is coefficient of x squared or a squared, how we solve it and what format it is, this is actually a bit different. This format is ax squared plus bx plus c. And when there is a coefficient with x squared, whenever there is coefficient with x squared, we will put that in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c. And when we solve this, how it is different? Only the difference is here q equals to a into c, and rest everything is same as before. Okay, for solving this math, this part 2a squared plus 5ab plus 3b squared, what is the q, value of q? Here value of q is, here q is 2 into 3, as we said a into c, so 2 into 3 equals to 6. Now, like before, we have to find two factors of 6, so that the product is 6 and the sum is 5. So the sum will be 5 and the product will be 6. What are the factors? How about 3 and 2? Yes, 2 into 3. 2 into 3 and 2 plus 3. Okay, now can we factorize it? Yes. 2a squared plus 2ab plus 3ab plus 3b squared equals to x squared plus 3a plus 4b into x plus what we can take common here? We can take 2a common. 2a into a plus b plus what we take common here? 3b into a plus b equals to x squared plus 3a plus 4b into x plus a plus b into 2a plus 3b. To solve this expression, here q is a plus b into 2a plus 3b, and let us check a plus b into 2a plus 3b. This q equals to multiplication of two factors. One is a plus b and the other one is 2a plus 3b, and the sum of these two factors should be 3a plus 4b. Just we have to check 3a plus 4b equals to the sum of these factors, a plus b plus 2a plus 3b. Is it correct? Yes, this is correct. So we can apply that formula, x squared plus px plus q. So what we do now, x squared plus, we just split it, a plus b x plus 2a plus 3b x, a plus b into x plus 2a plus 3b into x, and plus a plus b into 2a plus 3b equals to x into x plus x common. We are taking x common, then x plus a plus b plus a 2a plus 3b common, 2a plus 3b. We take common, what we get? X plus a plus b equals to x plus a plus b common, so x plus a plus b into x plus 2a plus 3b, and that is the answer. X plus a plus b into x plus 2a plus 3b. Now number 33. 6x squared minus x minus 15. 6x squared minus x minus 15. What form it is in? This expression is in ax squared plus bx plus c form. And here we know the q is 6 into 15. Q is 6 into 15 equals to 90. Now we have to select two factors so that product is 90 and sum is minus 1. What are the factors? The product is 90 and sum is -1. 6 into 15, no. How about 9 and 10? 9 into 10 minus 10 plus 9. Yes. Equals to 6x squared minus 10x plus 9x minus 15 equals to what we can take common, 2x into 3x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5 equals to 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 5. That is the answer. Answer 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 5. Next is 34. 34. X square minus x square minus x minus a plus 1 into a plus 2 minus a plus 1 into a plus 2. Here the product is a plus 1 into a plus 2. So a plus 1 into a plus 2 equals to a plus 1 into a plus 2. No need to select the factors, and I hope the sum of these two factors will be -1. Let us check. -1 equals to a plus 1 minus a plus 2. Yes, this is -1. Okay. Equals to x square. Just we apply these two factor here and show the and use this as the sum. So this will be a plus 1 into x plus a plus 1 into x minus a plus 2 into x. Then minus a plus 1 into a plus 2, as just as before, minus a plus 1 into a plus 2 equals to, now what we can take common, x into x plus a plus 1, and from these two what we can take common, a plus 2, a plus 2 is a. Here there should be x minus, no minus, because this is minus, so plus and minus, this should be plus, plus a plus 1, a plus 1. Now we get two factors, one is x plus a plus 1, x plus a plus 1 into x minus, we have to use a second bracket here, x minus a plus 2 equals to x plus a plus 1 into x minus a minus 2. Removed second bracket. This is the answer. X plus a plus 1 into x minus a minus 2. 35 3x square plus 11x minus 4. What is the value of q? 3 into 4. Q is 3 into 4 equals to 12. So we have to select two factors. The product should be 12 and sum should be 11. How about 12 and 1? 12 into 1, 12 minus 1. We need a minus here because there is minus before 4. So equals to 3x square plus 12x minus x minus 4 equals to, if we take 3x common, x plus 4 minus 1 common, x plus 4 equals to x plus 4 into 3x minus 1, and that is the answer. X plus 4 into 3x minus 1. Now 36. 3x square minus 16x minus 12. Equals to, what is the value of q? 3 into 12. So q is 3 into 12 equals to 36. Now we have to select two factors so that the product is 36 and the sum is minus 16. Minus 16. 18 and 2. Yes, 18 into 2, again minus 18 plus 2. 3x square minus 18x plus 2x minus 12 equals to, if we take 3x common, x minus 6 plus 2 common, x minus 6. Now the factors are 3x plus 2 into x minus 6. So that it looks good, how you can arrange it? Bring x minus 6 before. X minus 6 into 3x plus 2. Just to give it a good look. Otherwise it's okay. So 3x plus 2, that is the answer. Answer, x minus 6 into 3x plus 2. 2x square minus 9x minus 35. Equals to, here q, value of q is a into c, means 2 into 35. 2 into 35 equals to 70. Now we have to find two factors of 70 so that the product is 70 of those factors. Product is 70 and the sum is minus 9. 14 into 5, 14 into 5, minus 14 plus 5, yes, 2x square minus 14x plus 5x minus 35 equals to, take 2x common, x minus 7 plus 5x minus 7 equals to, this is 2. So equals to x minus 7 into 2x plus 5. That is the answer. Answer x minus 7 into 2x plus 5. If you have any question about the problems number 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 or 37, or about any problem in this chapter, please write it in the comment box and I will try to reply. Thank you very much.